The Western Cape is known as the land where the first colonizers landed Momzans. The colonizers. No, it's a good thing. Colonization came with civilization. And it's not like South Africa didn't go forward to colonize other countries like Namibia. So anyway, let's focus. More Western Cape. So we go to the provincial government of the Western Cape. And quick fact, a lot of people speak Afrikaans in the Western Cape. A lot of people speak Afrikaans in the Western Cape. So take that with a grain of salt. Well, you can see there's the usual departments. There's the cultural affairs and sports. There's your health and wellness. Interesting names as the provincial government. Police oversight and community safety. Okay, wow, they have some interesting provincial departments, because as you can know, each provincial government has a sister or a brother body to the national department. So as it is functioning or in its incorporation, it follows everything that the national department has endorsed. There's also a department here of mobility. I'm very interested. Mobility, is this for persons with special needs? I'm very curious. Oh, it's transport. Hey, the Department of Transport. Oh, wow. I wouldn't have guessed. So let's see. So there's the other usual public entities, your gambling board, your liquor board. They even have a police ombudsman. They have their language committee. That's also something that's worth checking out. Cultural Commission, Heritage, Government Motor Transport. Hey, is this a public-private partnership? Maybe. There's the Freeport, those of you who have qualifications to do with environmental sciences or with the oceans, and whether it could be in the law field, security, or even in administrative, or even engineering, even driving. The ship has an engine, it has oils and petrol and all that good stuff, batteries that would need replacement. Then we have your trade and investment promotion agency, Atlantis, our special economic zones, more so far, because of our government is pushing for a very fast industrialization, and having these special economic zones helps with the industrialization. And in that, there is mereko, there is supplying opportunities, there is business opportunities, there is tender opportunities. The mereko kumunchi or the special economic zones. So page not found. Okay, no problem. But Razorko Western Cape government. So this would be like if you're looking at the local government site. If you never span a local government, your Western Cape, Ashe, rural jobs and bursaries. But not found. Let's go to home and try again. That is, if right now I'm showing you an example of what you should do when you get to search. So right now you see we're having another page not found. Let's go to contact us. We are not necessarily using an advert as a reference for when we are looking for these jobs, or we're not even seeing a newspaper or advert anywhere, but rather we are deep diving, to put it in simple. We're literally deep diving to verify employers, to figure out the local employers, and in this case under the provincial government, in this case the Western Cape. So apart from Afrikaans, that's the most spoken, there is a Xhosa. isiXhosa speakers. Yes, there's your Xhosa speakers also there. There's as well as English, which is also widely spoken. So in the local government, please reach out to them directly so that you're able to find out where job vacancy lie. And then the language committee also throws us to the local government website, but good thing they have a contact information right here for the language community, which is under Department of Cultural Affairs and Sports. Reach out to them for span or Sitswakai, or Department of Transport and the mobility. Then here we have the Freeport Saldanha. I want not in Sanga the Merco Kumujwang, and if even Merco, how much do they advertise? Because some of these adverts, they are not even published in newspapers, they are not even published on recruitment websites, they're only published on their websites. It is not something that they intentionally do, but it is something that they have found, or when they share their adverts, some do not reach certain platforms, so they share them on their websites, they share them on their own social media, like for example another social media. They have LinkedIn, they have Twitter, formerly, they have X, but formerly Twitter. You are skills development program. This is good. Skills development, wow. SMME, so this is for the people in business community engagement. This is also good. So if you have some sort of skill that you'd like to improve on via Bona, something I think I'll go into that ribbon as well. But let's first try to see where are the jobs our partners going to zone. Maybe under about us. No. Community zone. Contact us directly, because they don't have jobs link or a portal more or even the last type of jobs that they had. So okay, so this is some of their partnerships with where they get funded from. As you can see, here's a couple of departments and CETAs that are funding them to ensure that these skills that they promote and have, they have a true on ourselves. So this is where some of the money would come from in order to pay for these skills programs. So reach out to them directly. Ashidi, they're in the Western Cape, in the Cape Town. Reach out, find out what's Spani, who wanna guide the advert, and where should you be paying attention to whenever you're looking for job opportunities with them. So after we're done with the Saldanha, we're going to Casidra. Remember, let's go once and get example. You don't need to follow this step by step. I'm just going through this with you as sort of a tutorial to show you on whenever you visit certain websites, whenever you're doing deep diving, when you're looking for jobs, this is where you should, these are the things that you should consider. Like one with the Western Cape, so far I'm not having any issues of the HTTPS, so these websites are secured. So even when I'm on the website, I'm not afraid or there's some of my information is going to be shared. But on other websites in other provincial government, it doesn't have that. So your things could be exposed to other people. So Kamo Casidra Meroko show simple career, they even have an update here. And then the last advert, wow, 26 November. Okay, this is good. I like this because they often post adverts on their website. So this is something that you can visit to every once in a month, twice a month, just to see maybe about posting. They even have their own social media. Here's their contacts. So yeah, right, there's Casidra. Why ever go to Casidra? Because I just saw Cape Agency for Sustainable Integrated Development in Rural Areas. Doing wonderful work. Yeah. And then Gamara in Cape Nature. Let's go to the Cape Nature and see what kind of still reboots. Here it is. Okay, let's refresh it. That one is refreshing. Let's also open West Grow and also the Atlantis Special Zone. What's wrong with the website? Oh, hey, festive season. Hey, I thought it was another COVID warning. Hey guys, these pop-ups on these on some websites. So this one, okay. No, thank you for your understanding and happy holidays to you too. Sure, thank you. So let's see, where is Mereko? Do business. What do you want to do? Looking for work, permits, nature, community, community. Get involved. Work for us. Yes, work for us. They even have internship programs. So for example, if you're a student, you're about to complete, or you're currently a student, you can get into this. Or you're not even a student, you're completing, but you're looking for work experience. Here's some programs. Here's an internship. But because they're now overqualified, because you find our internship have certain limitations, and for me in most cases that happens to be the age factor. Mengwaha re overqualified ka mengwaha. Excuse me. So yeah, let's continue. We advertise all of them here, so let's view the vacancies. One, they even have their own internal system. So view vacancies. Let's see, 3 December for one. They regularly even post adverts here, so this is worth saving. Like let's say they put it in print media, in the newspapers, so they put it in a notice paper nyana wa para ka mo in the office ya bona ka robana the address. Who is that address ya bona, who we are, contact us. So they will put it there, and then you take a picture, share it with everybody in the WhatsApp group, and then now you'll find out, oh, you need to go online and actually apply for it online. So as much as some adverts may come out as print media, they still need an online application. So another warning, Westgrow will never ask you for funds. Yeah. What's going on in the Western Cape? As a government, we are not affiliated with any monetary trading or cryptocurrency. Westgrow will never request for funds from any trading purposes. Wow. So people are scamming other people claiming to be Westgrow, the tourism, trade and investment. Okay. So it means that there's quite a lot that happens at the Westgrow. And even though a lot is happening, there's a lot of people. Where there's a lot of money, there happens to be a lot of people. So let's see what type of opportunities they have. Remember, press more corporate careers. Westgrow. Yeah, no, Western Cape. So this is the symbol of Western Cape. No, I do not like a newsletter. Oh, wow, see, they already have advert posts. Digital transformation manager, IT engineer. So this is good. This is good. You can keep this on your list of websites to visit regularly, so that you can check out response. You can also reach out to them to find out if there is any future work opportunities that will be coming up. Or even better yet, you can even reach out to them to find out if they have a skills development program. Much like the other ones, they had a skills development program which is funded by the DTI, funded by Operation Pakisa. So possibly here as well, because of they're responsible for the whole of Cape Town and Western Cape tourism, trade and investment opportunities, they would then have information around or other opportunities that a regular person wouldn't have information to. So I am a fellow, but the one of the employers, biggest employers, and funded by the Western Cape provincial government, the Atlantis Special Economic Zone, the Atlantis, the pioneering place where Africa's green economy thrives. Hey, everyone. It thrives. Let now want to thrive in terms of employment. Yo, there we go. Careers. Let's see if we are thriving. Let now thriving means ngwaha the increase. The 13th check guaranteed, with the incentives. It's thriving. So as we were saying, the Atlantis, yeah, plus by new careers. I don't know, not a miracle mojuang about advertising. The learner about to thrive. Okay, so no vacancies as yet. That is fine. Reach out, ask them if they are putting you on a database. One, they even have skills development. If you need skills, hey, write to them or what. I am this, I have this, and I'm able to reach. These are some of the previous benchmarks that I've set. I've increased sales from this 350 to 400. Get to share inventory. I'm good with customer service to the point where I even got an award. Things like that. Tell them who you are, what you are able to achieve, and some of the results that you've produced, and then hear what they say back. Otherwise, if you watch this video all the way to the end, this is about the Western Cape provincial government jobs, masterclass ideas and DIY tutorials. Mr. Gobe. See you on the next one. Sharp.